Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. The timing of this filming is November 3rd, 2024, and we just changed the clock back to the standard time. Now that the daylight saving time is finished, did you know that the heart attack risk increases by 24% after the daylight saving starts in springtime? You heard it right. Studies show that by having to wake up just by 1 hour early, 24% more people get heart attack. Surprising, right? It is because sleep does many essential functions for our body, and even 1 hour sleep deprivation can have significant impacts. Quality sleep is more than just a chance to rest. In fact, our body is actively working to restore and recharge our body's function while our conscious mind is resting. Sleep is crucial for us to regulate our immune system and metabolism and repair damages that accumulated during the waking time. So, if you ever wondered why sleep is so important, stay tuned. Let's dive in. Sleep is when our bodies perform essential maintenance. It's when our immune system recharges, our brain processes and restores memories and strengthens new neural connections, and our cells repair and rebuild. When we skip our own sleep or don't get enough quality rest, our body doesn't get the chance to complete these crucial tasks. If we don't sleep while living this busy life, it's like the F1 Formula sports car runs the circuit continuously without stopping the pit stop for maintenance. You know what would happen then, right? So, what are these essential functions? Let's break down a few ways sleep helps keep us healthy. First up is immune regulation. During sleep, our immune system releases proteins that are vital in helping our bodies respond to infection, inflammation, and stress. If we don't get enough sleep, we produce fewer of these natural immune boosters, which means our immune system becomes less effective at fighting off invaders like viruses and bacteria. A healthy sleep cycle is like recharging our body's natural defenses. Studies show that people who constantly get enough sleep are less likely to get sick after being exposed to viral infections. Sleep also allows our body to go to repair mode. During deep sleep, our body releases growth hormones that aid in repairing tissues and muscles. It's when our skin, muscles, and other cells rejuvenate. This process not only keeps us looking and feeling younger, but also strengthens our body to handle the next day's demands. Without this, we are more susceptible to injury, wear and tear, and we cannot build muscles effectively. So the word beauty sleep is quite literal. If we sleep well, our skin rejuvenates and becomes more youthful and beautiful. Another major role of sleep is supporting the brain health. When we sleep, our brain sorts through the day's information, consolidating memories and processing emotions. Sleep also clears out toxins, helping our mind stay sharp and reducing risks of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease. Brain research using functional brain MRI showed that while we are sleeping, the gap between brain and gyrus, which is the little wrinkles of the brain, literally widens, and the cerebrospinal fluid moves faster and more vigorously, just as if it's flushing out the brain. If we don't sleep, we cannot flush out those harmful molecules and toxins from our brain. When we are well rested, we are able to think more clearly and make better decisions and respond calmly to challenges. Think of sleep as your brain's reset button. Sleep also plays a role in regulating our metabolism. Poor sleep disrupts the balance of hormones that controls hunger like ghrelin or leptin. Ghrelin increases when we don't sleep well and make us crave high-calorie food. This can lead to cravings, overeating, and eventually weight gain. Quality sleep keeps our metabolism balanced, helping us maintain a healthy weight and reducing our risk of metabolic conditions like diabetes. So if sleep is this important, how do we ensure we are getting enough quality rest? Here are a few simple tips. 1. Keep a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your body's internal clock called circadian rhythm so that it becomes easier for you to fall asleep when it's time to go to bed. Second, limit exposure to screens and blue lights at least 1 hour before bedtime. Blue light that has short wavelengths is known to give wake-up signal to our brain. So please avoid using electronic devices or at least use blue light filter when it's close to bedtime. Third, create a calming bedtime routine. Things like reading, gentle stretching, or meditation can prepare your body for restful sleep. Quality rest is just as important as healthy diet and sufficient exercise when it comes to supporting your immune system, brain health, and overall well-being. So tonight, give yourself the gift of good night's sleep. You'll thank yourself in the morning. Thanks so much for watching. If you find this helpful, please give your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.